Hello everyone, this is Girish Andas, your science activity teacher. Welcome back to another session of Science Club activity video lesson. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about some interesting facts about solar system as well as very interesting facts about our space. Space is amazing. The sheer vastness of it, along with the trillions upon trillions of objects in the many billion galaxies of the universe, is almost incomprehensible to human brain. So, let's discuss some of the interesting facts about our space as well as about our solar system.
Welcome back to another session of Science Club activity video. Through this Science Club video, we are going to learn some interesting facts about our solar system. Let's check what is our learning objective. Learning objective. Through this video lesson, we are going to learn about some interesting facts about space. Also going to recognize and recall about our solar system. So don't waste our time. Let's move to some really interesting facts about our space. You know something? Space is silent. Space is completely silent. There is no atmosphere in space, which means that sound has no medium or no way to travel to be heard. That's why astronauts use radios to stay in communication while in space, since radio waves can still be sent and received. Now, our sun, 99% of our solar system's mass is the sun. That much big it is. We will discuss about sun in later. Okay. So, move to another point, another interesting fact. You know, there is an uncountable number of stars in the known universe. In the known universe, there are lots of unknown things yet to be discovered. So when you look at the sky at the night time, you can find uncountable number of stars. More energy from the sun hits Earth every hour than the planet uses in a year. In a year, the whole planet using certain amount of energy. More than that energy is coming and it is hitting on Earth every hour. That much energy sun is producing and that much energy is our Earth getting. Now, move on to another interesting fact. You can see the picture. The Apollo astronauts' footprints on the moon will probably stay there for at least 100 million years. You know why? Because since the moon doesn't have an atmosphere, there is no wind or water to erode or wash away the Apollo astronauts mark on the moon. That means their footprints, their rover prints, spacecraft prints, and any other discarded materials will stay preserved on the moon for a very, very long time. Isn't that interesting? Move on to another one. You know, this is one of the planets, Venus. One day on Venus is longer than 1 year on Earth. You know why? It's because Venus is revolving so slow. Okay, so Venus takes about 243 Earth days to complete one full circle. It takes Venus even less time in Earth days in order to complete one revolution around the sun, which means Venus can complete one complete revolution around sun in 226 Earth day. But to complete one full rotation, Venus takes 243 Earth days. So furthermore, the more interesting part is sun rises every 117 Earth days on Venus, which means the sun will rise only 2 times during each year. Isn't it interesting? Now, move on to another concept. This Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Even though Venus is not so close to sun, its temperature is around 450 degrees Celsius. You know, Mercury is closest planet to the sun, but there is no atmosphere on Mercury. That's why temperature is high in Venus. Okay, there is no such temperature in Mercury. Move on to another concept. This is quite interesting. If two pieces of the same type of material touch in space, they will bond and be permanently stick together. This is a really, really interesting concept, and it is known as cold welding. This amazing effect is known as cold welding. You know what exactly is that? If two pieces of the same type of metal, if they are in contact in space, then the atoms of these two separate metal can't distinguish that they are from these two different metal. They are thinking that, or they realizes that they are from the same metal, and that's why they stick together and to form one single piece. This wouldn't happen on Earth because there is air and water which is separating these two pieces. Now move on to another concept. The largest asteroid in our solar system. You know, the largest asteroid in our solar system is a mammoth piece of space rock named Ceres. It is also known as a dwarf planet, and it's almost 600 miles in diameter. Now, move on to our own sun. There are some interesting, really interesting facts about sun. Very few only we are discussing. The sun accounts for 99.86% of the mass in the solar system. As we discussed just before, 99.86% of mass in the solar system is of sun. Over 1 million Earth could fit inside the sun. That much big sun. The energy created by the sun's core is because of nuclear fusion. And sun Sun is almost a perfect sphere, and it's rotating and it's traveling at 220 kilometer per second. That's all about Earth. That's all about Sun, and we are discussing in detail about our solar system. So let's watch an animated video about our solar system, and we can find a lot more interesting concepts and interesting facts in that video. Let's watch together. Hello, my dear students. Let's watch and let's learn about solar system. Today, we are going to learn about space and our solar system. So, let's think about what is the solar system means. What is a solar system? The solar system is made up of all the planets that orbit our sun. Not only planets, there are so many other objects like comets, like asteroids, some dust particles, some gas, all are revolving, all are rotating around the sun. Everything in the solar system orbits or revolves around the sun. Now, let's think about our planets. Okay, how many planets are there? Yes, there are 8 planets in the solar system. Let's watch closely. The smallest one, you can see there, that is Mercury. Very near to that, it is Venus. Then comes Earth and the red color Mars. Then the biggest one, Jupiter. The ring one, Saturn. And the last 2, Uranus and Neptune. If you can remember the correct order, you can try this sentence. Let's check what is that sentence. My very easy method just speeds up naming. All the planets' first letters are there. So you can remember that. Now, Pluto and the dwarf planets. Pluto and dwarf planets. There are some other objects also revolving or orbiting around sun. Okay, this includes comets, asteroids, and even some dwarf planets. You might have heard Pluto used to be considered the 9th planet in our solar system. But in 2006, scientists renamed it as a dwarf planet. So we will be learning what exactly a dwarf planet, that in a later lesson we will learn about that. Okay, so just think about our own sun. The sun is a star. It is not a planet. It is the star which you can see at the night time when you watch sky, number of stars there. It is sun is just like one. But there are a lot of interesting things about sun. 1 million Earth can accommodate inside sun. That much big sun. You just before this video, we just discovered some of the interesting facts about sun. So now move on to the another concept. Okay. Now think about Mercury. We are discussing about each and every planet. Mercury is the planet closest to the sun. Mercury is the smallest planet and it is covered with craters. Scientists think that there may be volcanic activity on Mercury. Unlike many of 8 planets, Mercury is closest to the sun. Now, let's discuss about Venus. Venus is the 2nd planet from the sun and the 6th largest of all the planets. Venus is a small rocky planet blanketed in a thick layer of yellowish clouds. You know something? These yellowish clouds are formed from a poisonous, okay, that is poison. That poison is known as sulfuric acid. Now move on to our own Earth. So Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the fifth largest planet. Earth is a small rocky planet which supports a lot of life. 71% of Earth's surface is covered with water. You can see Moon is revolving around Earth. We will discuss about that later. Now move on to the next planet, that is Mars. It is a small rocky planet which is cold and lifeless. Though there is no water on Mars now, scientists believed that large lakes or oceans may have once been on this planet. There are Phobos and Deimos. Some of these are revolving, some of these are orbiting around Mars. Now comes to Jupiter. It is a giant planet, giant gas planet made of 90% of hydrogen and 10% of helium. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest planet in the solar system. The vivid color seen in Jupiter's clouds are the result of some chemical reactions. You can see some red spot that is known as the Great Red Spot. There are lots and lots of terrestrial objects are revolving around Jupiter. Now move on to the Saturn, another planet. Saturn is a giant gas planet which is made up of 75% of hydrogen and 25% of helium. It is most famous for its thousands of beautiful rings. You can see there that those rings are water, ice, and rocky particles are there in that rings. And the interesting fact is Saturn has 18 known moons, more than any other planet. Now move on to the next planet, that is Uranus. It is the seventh planet from the Sun. Uranus is a giant gas planet which is made of mostly rock and ice. The color of Uranus is blue. It is because of the gas present there, that is methane. And Uranus has 15 moons. Then move on to the last, Neptune. Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun. It is also a giant gas planet made of ice and rock. Neptune's winds are the fastest in the solar system. It reaches around 2000 kilometers per hour. Neptune has 8 known moons, 7 small ones and a large moon called Triton. Now let's move on to another interesting fact, that is about the moon. Moon is the Earth's only natural satellite. It is the second brightest object in the sky after the Sun. The gravitational forces between the Earth and Moon causes some really interesting effects on Earth. That also we will discuss in the coming videos. Now move on to another one. What are comets and asteroids? You might have heard about comets and asteroids. Comets are balls of ice and dust that orbit Sun. The asteroids, on the other hand, are made of metals and rocky material that also revolving around Sun. Now, what are galaxies? A galaxy can contain many millions of stars held together by force of gravity. Our Sun is in a spiral galaxy called Milky Way. You can see that picture. That is the picture of Milky Way galaxy. The universe contains at least 1 billion galaxies. Hope you enjoyed learning about space and the solar system.
My dear students, hope you are really mesmerized and you got some really interesting facts about our space, our solar system. So that's all for today's lesson. See you soon. As always, stay safe, take care, and be happy. Bye.